Hi friends, this is Viswanath Chemistry faculty. Now see the continuation of forensic laboratory exam questions. Which of the following reactant will not produce product shown below? So here product is given, reactant we should identify. Four options are given. This type of questions are very important because this question is related to ring expansion. In last class we completed one question related to the ring expansion. This one also same type of question, similar type of question. See the first option, this is the first option. It is treated with H2SO4. H2SO4 is an acid. So it produces H plus ion. This ion combines with OH and converted to OH2 plus. It is removed in the form of H2O. Then a positive charge is developed at this carbon atom. That means carbocation is formed. This positively charged carbon is present outside of the ring. Then what will happen? Positively charged carbon is present outside of the cyclic structure means ring expansion takes place. So these bonding electrons are shifted to this. In this way, ring expansion takes place. This positive charge is shifted. Then this ring becomes cyclic structure. In this manner, from this H plus ion is removed by losing electrons. Then double bond formation takes place. Okay. So here generally students do mistake in this type of questions. Ring expansion, carbocation is present outside of the cyclic structure. In this way, ring expansion takes place. These bonding electrons are shifted to this carbon atom. So this is the product. That means option A can give given product. Next, option B, check it. Here also OH is present. This OH by accepting H plus provided by H2SO4 change to OH2 plus. It is removed in the form of water. Then carbocation is formed. Positive charge is developed at this carbon atom. Now methyl shift takes place. Methyl shift means this in the adjacent carbon atom two methyl groups are there. In this one methyl group is shifted to this carbon atom. Then we can get this structure. So this carbocation is tertiary. This is secondary. It is attached to two other carbons. 1, 2. But here three carbon atoms. 1, 2 and 3. So this tertiary carbocation is more stable than secondary carbocation. Now at this carbon atom, hydrogen atom is present. This hydrogen atom is removed in the form of H plus. These bonding electrons are shifted to this. Then we can get this structure. So second option also can give given product. Next, third option, see here this one. Here also OH is present. This OH is converted to OH2 plus by accepting H plus provided by H2SO4. This is removed in the form of H2O. Then carbocation is formed at this position. Now from this H plus is removed. Then double bond formation takes place. So option C can also give given product. Now option D. Say this. This is option D. Here OH converted to OH2 plus. Carbocation is formed. Now carbocation is present outside the outside the cyclic structure. So ring expansion takes place. This dotted line represents newly formed bond. And ring expansion means from this to this bond formation takes place. This bond is completely broken. Then what happens? This positive charge shifted to this carbon atom. In this way, now it is a 6-membered ring. If you write normally, this is the structure. At this carbon atom, hydrogen is present, that is removed in the form of H plus. Then double bond formation takes place in this way. So this is the product obtained from this structure. That means option D. This option cannot give this given product. So answer is this one. Option D will not produce the required product. So option D is the answer. Next. Which of the following tertiary alcohols cannot be prepared from the reaction of an ester with excess of Grignard reagent? Ester reacts with excess of Grignard reagent, then we can get tertiary alcohol. Now, here 6 compounds are given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In these 6 compounds, which compound cannot be prepared by the reaction of ester with excess of reagents? Okay. Say this. When an ester reacts with excess of Grignard reagent, we can get tertiary alcohol. In that, at least 2 alkyl groups be the same. So remember this condition. When ester reacts with excess of Grignard reagent, we can get tertiary alcohol. In that, 2 alkyl groups, generally tertiary alcohol means 3 alkyl groups are present. Now in this reaction, 3 alkyl groups should be the same. Another one is maybe same or different. Suppose if we take different alkyl groups, then what will happen? See here. Ester general formula RC double bond O R prime. This alkyl group, this one, both are different. Grignard reagent general formula RMgX. This alkyl group is different from these 2 alkyl groups. So to represent variation, I used this symbol R double prime. So all the alkyl groups are different in these 2 reactants. Now MgX attached to this oxygen, we can get this structure. Alkyl group attached to this carbon, that is this one. On heating, this alkoxy group is removed and MgX is removed. Then we can get a ketone. That means RC double bond O, R double prime, this one, plus R prime O MgX. Now this ketone is treated with Grignard reagent because we are using Grignard reagent in excess quantity. Then what happens? RCOMgX, R double prime, this R double prime, this alkyl group is also attached to this carbon. In this way, on hydrolysis, we can get this one RCOH, R double prime, tertiary alcohol. So in this way, we can get 2 alkyl groups are same. In this compound, these 2 alkyl groups are same, it is different. So this is a condition. Now in the given 6 compounds, which compound having 3 different alkyl groups, that compound cannot be prepared by this reaction, ester with excess of Grignard reagent. All the 3 alkyl groups are same, this compound can be prepared. 2 alkyl groups are same, it can be prepared. Here ethyl, methyl, propyl, all the 3 alkyl groups are different. This compound cannot be prepared. Ethyl, it can be prepared. Here methyl, ethyl, butyl. This is also we cannot prepare. Phenyl, this we can prepare. So compound 3 and 5 we cannot prepare. So option D is the answer. Okay, we'll meet you in the next class.